How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure both phones are connected to the internet. Download and install the Instagram app on the new phone. Now launch Instagram app on your old phone. Tap profile picture at bottom right corner. Select three-line icon at top right corner and scroll to the bottom of the screen. Tap on logout. Now, if you want to save your login info on your old phone, you can save, otherwise select not now and tap on logout. Now on your new phone, you simply need to open Instagram app and enter your username, email or phone number associated with the account. Enter your password and tap login. You have to wait a few seconds and your account will be successfully transferred to the new device. That's it. Your Instagram account is now ready to use on your new phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.